Are you ready to unlock free money without spending a dime? Today I'm going to show you how to make free money from airdrops with zero funds. Stick around because this could change the way you approach cryptocurrency forever. First off, let's clarify what an airdrop is. Airdrops are used as marketing strategies to create awareness and grow the user base. They can be distributed for various reasons, like promoting a new project, rewarding loyal users, or incentivizing participation in a community. You might wonder, why do people give away free tokens? Well, these projects hope that by giving away tokens, people will become interested in their platforms, spread the good news, and eventually increase the token value. We have different types of airdrop that you should know about. The standard airdrop. In standard airdrops, you sign up with your wallet address and the token will be sent directly to you. The second one is the holder's airdrop. You need to hold a specific token in your wallet to qualify for this airdrop. Then the third one is the bounty airdrop. You perform certain tasks like promoting on social media or joining a Telegram group to earn tokens. The fourth one is exclusive airdrop. They are often sent to existing users of a platform as a reward. The fifth one is retroactive airdrop. They are often referred to as retro drops. They serve as a reward for early engagement with a crypto application, such as testing or other activities related to the project development. How can you find these airdrops? We have different ways you can find airdrop on time. Websites like CoinMarketCap list current and upcoming airdrops. Number 2 is social media. Follow crypto projects on their X handle, Reddit or Telegram. Many projects announce their airdrops on these platforms. The third one is crypto news sites. Subscribe to newsletters or follow sites like CoinDesk or CryptoSlate for the latest announcements. The fourth one is crypto community. Join legit crypto community. Emphasis on legit. Join legit crypto communities on platforms like Discord, WhatsApp, Telegram, where members share valuable information about airdrops. So how do you participate in all these airdrops? Here are the steps. One is to get a crypto wallet. You need a wallet that supports the token you need to receive. Popular wallets like MetaMask and Trust Wallet will also help you. Number 2 is to follow instructions. Each airdrop will have specific requirements. This could involve filling out a form, joining a Telegram group, or sharing a post on their social media. The third one is stay safe. Always be cautious. Don't share your private key or personal information. Only participate in airdrops from a reputable project. Number 4 is to claim your airdrop. For some airdrops, you need to claim when the airdrop period is over, while for some, they will send it directly to your wallet. So always check to know the requirement for each airdrop. Here are some practices to maximize your airdrop opportunities. Number 1 is that you need to be consistent and diversify your crypto wallet. Crypto is not a get quick rich scheme, so you have to be patient and keep grinding. The second one is that you need to stay updated. And the third one is that you should do what works for you. Just follow your mind sometimes, do your own research and do what works for you. Now, what do you do with your airdrops tokens? Well, it's true I don't have a direct stake in your airdrops tokens since they are not my funds, but I will be happy to share some opinion. Number 1 is to hold. Especially now we are entering bull season. There's a slang in crypto that says holders are winners. If you believe in the future of a project, holding on to the token could pay off if the value increases, especially now that we're entering bull season. Number 2 is trade. You can exchange them for other cryptocurrency or fiat on exchanges. Number 3 is to use. Some airdrops tokens can be used within the ecosystems for services and products like staking. Number 4 is to reinvest. Use your earnings to participate in more airdrops or invest in other cryptocurrency, just like what I was saying. Now that we're entering bull season, when you are airdropped any token now, to me, I would suggest you sell some and keep some. And that is it. You now know how to make money from crypto with zero funds through airdrops. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more crypto tips. Thank you.